What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Usbc here, and I finally got my hands on the new iPad mini 6. So I'm going to be doing a full unboxing showing you guys what comes in the box and the overall unboxing experience with the new iPad mini. Now this is definitely something that I'm really excited to show you guys, but before I do, I'm going to kindly ask you guys at home if you guys can hit the subscribe button, as it really helps my channel grow. I have a lot of iPad mini content coming up, so if you're into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the packaging of the iPad mini 6. This is a space gray version. The way that Apple packaged it is very similar to how they do in the past. Side note, if you did not notice, this says mini. It says mini. It's cursive writing. A lot of people might not have noticed. The version that I got is the 64 gig version, Wi-Fi, no cellular, and I got it in space gray. It was like the only one that was available, and the purple was unfortunately sold out. On the side, you're gonna notice that Apple has a pull tab over here. So let's go ahead and open that up. Funny enough, the recent Apple products actually don't include any plastic in their packaging, but they did include it on the new iPads. Let's go ahead and open up the box and show you guys what's inside. So here is the iPad itself. It is so small right off the bat. I'm actually shocked by how small it is. I think I forgot how small this thing is, but I don't know why I didn't expect it to be so small. Let's go ahead and take off the paper film here, which, by the way, again, is not plastic. So yeah, this is pretty much how the iPad mini looks. Very similar to the iPad Pro that I have over here in terms of design, but it's more so like the iPad Air. I'm gonna be doing a comparison towards the end of the video, but before I do, let's just look at what else is in the box. So we have the classic design by Apple in California that they give us. And in here, we're going to find some manuals. This is the manual and warranty information of the new iPad mini. And of course, we also get the classic Apple stickers. And this one, we get two. And the iPhones that I recently got, you only get one sticker. So it's always a benefit to have two. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these stickers, but yeah, if you want one, let me know in the comments. Of course, in the box, Apple has also decided to include a USB-C to USB-C cable because the iPad has USB-C on it, unlike the new iPhones, which still have Lightning. So this is a big bonus to have an extra USB-C cable because all of my devices use USB-C. You also get a charging block, which has a plastic film on it. Let's go ahead and peel that off. And yeah, this is not necessarily something that you get with the other iPhones. You don't get a charging block anymore, but it's a good thing that Apple is including it in the new iPads. And this is pretty much it. This is the box and what they give you inside the box. Okay, so first impression times. I did not boot it up yet. Let's go ahead and do that. And while I have it booting up, you can see the Apple logo right here. Let's look at the body of it. So of course, as I mentioned, I got the space gray iPad mini. It has one camera lens, unlike the iPad Pro, and the body though is very square, very similar. It has two speaker grills at the bottom here with one USB-C cable, which again is something that I definitely enjoy, and I'm actually really happy that they included it on this. This is like one of the major reasons why I even bought the thing, is because it has a USB-C cable. At the front of it, you're gonna see a pretty wide bezel. I don't know if it just stands out more because it's a smaller tablet, but to me this looks pretty wide, and it's not exactly like an edge to edge kind of thing. Yeah, it's just, I don't know if it's because it's smaller, it's just more apparent. That there's the selfie camera. You also get the power button at the top, and this has a built-in Touch ID button as well. And over here you get the volume buttons. They are the up and down buttons, but it depends on the orientation of how you're holding it. Oh, so this is the iPad Pro. Let's go ahead and cover up the iPad mini. And you can see it's like a much smaller version of it. In terms of design, they look really, really similar here. At the bottom, you're going to see the connector for the Smart Pencil, which both the iPad Pro and the iPad Mini both use the Apple Pencil 2, which is the better version of the Apple Pencil that doesn't use that stupid charging method. They do have a similar setup in terms of speaker grills. However, the iPad Mini only has 2, as I mentioned, while the iPad Pro has 4. But yeah, that's pretty much what we get in the box. Yeah, so that's the unboxing experience with the iPad Mini. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below about the iPad Mini in general, and make sure to add in any questions that you might want to know for the full review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.